Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing fine today. It's about 8:38 a.m. Tuesday morning here in Japan, March 14th, 2023. The Flat Earth Clock app is featuring one of my videos. You should check this out. 19 pilots confirm Flat Earth. It's a compilation of several testimonies from pilots, and you should definitely check this one out. We are here today to try to explain to globe believers how time zones work, because they seem not to understand. This image is from a anti-Flat Earth website, and they publish lots of lies and to deceive the masses into believing we live on a spinning globe. If we look toward the south at night in the southern hemisphere, we will see the exact same stars regardless of where we are. This observation is impossible if Earth is flat and can only be explained if the Earth is a sphere. They claim that these people here can see the Southern Cross and Sigma octants all at the same time. It's possible to be done on the globe, but it's not possible to do on the flat Earth. So I wonder if these guys think that night on the flat Earth it looks like this, because they claim that these people on the globe can see these stars at night. That would indicate that on the globe model, this is the way things should look like. Night covering the whole southern hemisphere. So we're gonna explain here to globe believers how time zones work. This is the same mistake that not Professor Dave fails to understand, that you cannot have nighttime in all those three regions at the same time. Let's go ahead and try to explain this to globe believers. Here we have both globe and flat Earth side by side. Also we have the Mercator's projection on top. As you can see, you will never see nighttime in all three locations at the same time. Do they forget about time zones? Do they forget stars are only visible at night? It seems so. So you see how the nighttime moves as you see the moon. Even on the globe, you see it's the same thing. As the globe turns, it's nighttime only on one side of the globe, while the other side is daytime. And always considering that we have a magnetic center, which makes more sense on the flat Earth. It doesn't really make any sense on the ball Earth. This is all to deceive people. Now looking here, when it's midnight in Africa, only they can see octans or the Southern Cross. And here, when it's midnight in South America, only they can see octans and the Southern Cross. And when it's midnight in Australia, only they can see octans and the Southern Cross. So it's never nighttime in all three locations at the same time. Here's how time zones prove flat Earth. As the sun moves in each region, it's divided by 24 hours, 24 time zones easily explained on the flat Earth map. Whenever the sun is at a point at noon, that's noon at that region on Earth. And the atmosphere, or the atmos, is diamagnetic and conforms to the shape of Earth's magnetic field. And this causes the atmosphere or atmos to form a dome-like lens. So we are looking through an atmospheric dome lens when looking at the stars. I hope this is enough for globe believers to understand. So take care, guys. I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.